Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to change your keybinds in Icarus. Let's begin by opening the settings menu. From there, go into settings. Make sure to go into the control tab and scroll down. Under key bindings, you can set your keybinds. As you can see, to set your keybinds, simply press the space next to the keybind and press a new key. This is the arrow key up. I don't know why it is displayed as JF, but as you can see, I click it, I set a new key. You can do so with every of the following: move forward, move back, move left, move right, interact, alternative, interact, swap camera, hide UI, hide quest UI, take screenshot, toggle menu, text chat, auto run, toggle client login, toggle client logging, open field guide to items, open field guide to index, loot all. Under on foot is free look, sprint, jump, crouch, drop item, hands, hotbar forward, hotbar back, hotbar keybinds from 1 to 0, hotbar backpack, destroy building piece, unfocus building grid, disable building grid focus, raise building grid offset, lower building grid offset, toggle suit light, play emote and toggle photo mode. Under weapons there is fire, alternative fire and reload. And in prospect is inventory, crafting, map and tech. And that's about it. You can always set them back to defaults if you would like. And once you get back to the home screen, you are ready to play. Thank you for watching, and please remember to like, comment and subscribe.